हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ़ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन लैग्रेंजेस मीन वैल्यू थ्योरम। दिस थ्योरम इज बेस्ड ऑन application of derivative of real valued function. The statement of this theorem is let f of x be a real valued function define on closed interval a b. Then if first condition fx is continuous on closed interval a b. Closed interval a b means the boundary point is included in the interval. And second one, if f of x is differentiable on open interval a b, then there exists at least one point say C belongs to open interval a b such that f dash c equal to f of b minus f of a upon b minus a. Means if f is continuous on closed interval a b, differentiable on open interval a b, then there exists at least one c point. This c is not unique, it may be more than one, belongs to open interval a b such that f dash c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Now geometrically let us see how this theorem is. Let us take one function in this way. Let us have this x equal to a and this point is x equal to b. So this distance is f of a and this distance is f of b. So the coordinate of this point a is a comma f of a and coordinate of b is the b comma f of b. So this is your given curve y equal to f of x. Now if you draw one line joining the point a and b, so this is called chord of AB. This is your AB. Now what is the slope of this AB? That is the y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So I can have slope of AB equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2 is f of b minus f of a by b minus a. So this is the slope of the line AB. Now the Lagrange's mean value theorem states that this slope of AB is equal to direction of tangent at the point C belongs to open interval AB. It means there exists one point where tangent is parallel to this chord AB. That is your statement of this theorem. The tangent, there exists one point C where tangent is parallel to the chord AB. So here we can see this point. If you draw the tangent, so this tangent is parallel to chord AB, this tangent also parallel to chord AB, and here also we have So there is three points, C1, C2, C3. So all these 3 points, the tangent is parallel to chord AB. So this is the geometric interpretation of Lagrange's mean value theorem. The slope of AB is equal to slope of tangent at one point, that point belongs to open interval AB. So now let us see one problem based on this theorem. This is the given question, f of x equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. This function is defined on closed interval 0 and half. The question is, the verify Lagrange's mean value theorem, or one can say find the value of c which satisfy the Lagrange's mean value theorem statement. Okay, so what we do, so in that statement we have continuity of f on closed interval AB and differentiability of fx on open interval AB. Since this is a polynomial, so this is the continuous, this function is differentiable, no need to check here because we have polynomial here. So every polynomial is continuous, differentiable, all on whole R. Now since it satisfies the condition of Lagrange's mean value theorem, so we'll find out the f dash c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. So first find out the f dash. So f dash equal to 3x square minus 6x plus 2. So f dash c equal to 3c square minus 6c plus 2. Now the according to Lagrange mean value theorem, f dash c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Then your so f of b, so f of b equal to f of half and f of 0, so f of 0 equal to 0 and f of half equal to 3 by 8. You can find out 3 by 8 and a equal to 0, b equal to half. So f dash c equal to 3c square minus 6c plus 2 equal to f of b. F of b means f of half, that is 3 by 8 minus 0 upon 1 by 2 minus 0. So this will be 3c square minus 6c plus 2 divided by 3 by 4. So 12c square minus 24c plus 8 and 8 minus 3 5, so 5 equal to 0. So 12c square minus 24c plus 5 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation in C. So we get the value of C. So C equal to, we can find out the minus b plus minus b square minus 4 AC by 2 into 2. So C equal to, if you solve this one, so we get C equal to 1 plus minus 0.764. So C1 equal to 1.76 and C2 equal to 0.236. So these are the, now this C belongs to open interval AB. So if you see, this C1 point does not belongs to 0 comma 1 by 2. So we'll discard the C1 and C2 belongs to 0 to half. So your C value will be for this problem 0.236. So this is your answer. We have not considered the C1 because this is out of interval, and in the statement we have C belongs to open interval AB. Fine. So answer is 0.236. Thank you. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.